Hi guys, this is Shuhak. Welcome to my first video tutorial about web design. What is web design? Web design is a similar process of creating with the intention of presenting the content on electronic web pages which the end users can access through the internet with the web of a web browser. Elements of web design. Some web pages elements are layout, color, graphics, fonts and content. The software you need, I will describe it later. We assume that you have absolutely no knowledge of designing web pages. Throughout the course of this tutorial, you will learn the fundamentals of web design, and of course, you will start creating your own pages. By the end of the book, you will have acquired a good understanding of what web design is all about and have the ability to take it further if you so wish. In this tutorial, the aim of this course is to get you started designing web pages. It is assumed that you have little or no experience of the subject. During our time together, you will learn some new concepts and ideas, most of which will not be difficult. After all, there are billions of pages on the internet designed by the whole spectrum of humanity: children, adults, pensioners, people from all walks of life have sites out there, and if they can do it, so you also can do it. In fact, follow the lessons carefully and you will do it. Before long, you will have your own pages designed and ready to be uploaded there for all the world to see. The technologies you will learn are HTML, HTML5 and cascading style sheets. The HTML5 is the newest version of the web language HTML. At the heart of every web page is something called HTML. You will learn what this is and how to code it. You will also learn the newest version of HTML, which is called HTML5. Both versions are included in this course as well as HTML. You will learn about cascading style sheet and will be able to improve the look of your web pages by adding CSS to enhance them. At the end of most chapters of this tutorial, you will see a summary table of what you have learned. The summary tables are also included in a separated document called quick reference. This is one of the files that come with these tutorials. All the files you should have are detailed. Now I will describe you something new about this course. The only thing you really need to do the course is simple text editor. We explain all about this in the first tutorial, anatomy of a web page, in the section software for writing web pages, but the operating system you have is not important, so you can do this course on a PC or an Apple Mac or a Windows PC or a Linux PC. Here is a example of a web pages. Something, yes, we got it. This is a web page of Mozilla Corporation, and you can do this by learning HTML, CSS and other script language, but the important language is HTML and CSS to design a web page. Okay, here we will use Sublime Text 2. You can download it from sublime.com. Sorry, the link is sublimetext.com. You can download Sublime Text from their official website, and you can choose for your operating system. I think this is the best text editor in the world for me. You can use also Notepad++. If you using Apple Mac operating system PC, then you can use TextMate text editor. This is the best for Mac operating system, but I recommend you to use Sublime Text 2. Here is another text editor named Notepad++, and this is the link of this text editor. You can download it and install it to your PC to learn how to create a web pages. Okay, I will use the Sublime Text 2, and this is the best text editor for me. And first thing, I have to describe you about the element layout. This is a very important thing of HTML, and the color, graphics, fonts and content. First, layout. This is the way the graphics, ads and text are arranged. In the web world, a key goal is to help the viewer find the information they seek at a glance. This includes maintaining the balance, consistency and integrity of the design. Color. The choice of colors depends on the purpose and client. It could be simple black and white to multicolor design, conveying the personality of a person or the brand of an organization using different colors. The important thing is graphics. Graphics can include logos, photos, clip art or icons, all of which enhance the web design. For user friendly, this need to be placed appropriately, working with the color and content of the web page while not making it too congested or slow to load. Another typography element is font. The use of various fonts can enhance a website design. Most web browsers can only read a select number of fonts known as web-safe fonts, so your designer will generally work within this widely accepted group. Content and design can work together to enhance the message of the site through visuals and text. Written text should always be relevant and useful so as not to confuse the reader and to give them what they want, so they will remain on the site. Content should be optimized for search engines and be of a suitable length, incorporating relevant keywords. Now I will create a web page for you. First we need to open a web browser. I opened here Mozilla Firefox, and first you have to create a folder named HTML. You can use different name and open the text editor and file, new file, and save as select desktop, the path of your created folder, HTML. Open it and give a name that you like. Give index and select from here file types only: HTML, HTML, SHTML, XHTML, PHTML, INCTML. Here if you use Sublime Text 2, otherwise you can select HTML if show there of your desired text editor. Now give the extension name HTML and save it, and you can see here a web page named index, but the extension will hide and the type HTML document. Okay, I open it with choose default browser, and there is nothing to show because I didn't create or insert any content into the web pages. Now I will write here some text, hello world, and save it and reload the browser, and it says hello world. Hello world. This is not a right way to create a HTML file like hello world. If you want to show hello world, then you have to sorry, HTML, and give a backslash HTML and body tag, and save it again by pressing Ctrl S and reload it. So don't worry, it is very easy to learn web design. uh, Thank you for watching my first tutorial. Get in touch for more tutorial. I will show you later many tips and tricks and new things step by step. Please follow it and practice yourself very well, because practice makes a man perfect. So thank you and bye bye.